that is done. Is this recording, by the way? Yes, it is. Great. Hello and welcome to another video. Today I thought we'd do, as the title suggests, I thought we'd do a smoky eye, kind of a brownish smoky eye using these two palettes, the Hanging in Hawaii palette and this Sephora palette that I've had for ages. So I thought we'd do a smoky eye with either this color here or not a black smoky eye, a brown smoky eye look. With that, I'm also going to be testing out this blush from Sephora. Get comfortable, grab some coffee, some tea, something to drink or eat or just put on your makeup with me. That's an idea. Today we'll start with the eyes, and as usual I'll prime my eyelids with this Nocibe eyelid primer, eyeshadow primer. The primer just helps to block the oil coming from your eyelids from bleeding into the color so that the color stays on for longer. Today I'll go with this dark red here to achieve that. I'm looking in my mirror as usual. Whoa. And I'm using a very soft, huge eyeshadow brush just to put this all over the lid. And I'm taking that to the top of the lid, but not really to the inside, just at like 3/4 ways in, because I'm going to do a different color towards the inside of the eye. So I like this side better than this one, so because I feel like I put too much up here as opposed to this one. Mistakes happen. Okay. So that's the base of my smoky eye. Da-da-da. On the inside part, I'm going to use a different color. I'm going to use this color Waikiki up here. Let me swatch that for you. Very like golden to match with this aubergine color. Is that what that's what I'd call this color. I don't know what you'd call it, but that's what I'd call it. I'm putting this right from the corner, going inside a bit, like 1/4 way inside to meet the other one. That looks nice. Not too much of this one though, because I don't want it overpowering this color, because this color is the one on show today. It's the star of the show. So let's keep it that way. Okay, so I have enough color on both sides. I just need to blend both together because you don't want that really sharp contrast with the two, unless that's what you're going for. That's not what I'm going for. So again, I'll take a clean brush and just blend between the two, going back and forth and over this this part here, blending them together. So to clean up, I'm just going to clean up this part with wet earbud, just like that, to take away the little product that fell on the lower lids. These work really well to correct the tiny mistakes. Now we're going to do foundation and then eyebrows. I'm still using the NYX foundation. I quite like it so far. This time I didn't put any foundation on my forehead. I just decided to take what's left from this lower part of the face and just bring it up to my forehead, because later I'm going to use some powder contour just over here, and I don't want too much product hanging up there. Always remember to bring down a little foundation to your neck, just so the demarcation is not really noticeable, especially because our necks and faces are not always the same shade, and you can't really use someone's neck to tell them the foundation to wear on their face. It's not always the same shade, and that's fine, because that's the way your skin is, right? I'm not saying go 1,000 shades lighter for your face just because you don't want it to match your neck, but at least blend it into your neck is what I'm saying. I love this brush. Look at that. I love it. It's so dense, so quick. Love it. The concealer I'm using is the same as last time. Actually, everything for the base of my face hasn't changed. Just in case anyone's wondering. Okay, I admit that the sponge works much faster for the concealer than a brush does. Let's go in with a little bit more on this side. Ooh, 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 ooh. All done with the powder. Still using the same old NYX stuff. Next, I'm going to contour just a tiny bit, and then I'll do my brows. Am I forgetting something? I feel like I'm forgetting something. My face is so hairy sometimes. Like, what is this? What is this? It's so much, because I'm right-handed, it's so much easier to do this side. Like, this side looks perfect, and then this side looks like a 4-year-old did it. Voila, voila. Contour is done. I'll highlight after I do my eyebrows. So let's move on to eyebrows. I need a small mirror for this. Found it. Again, I still warm it up on the lid. You don't want to take it directly from the pot to your face. Just warm it up and remove the excess. Remove the excess before you put it on your eyebrows. That looks natural-ish. That's the look we're going for. That's the look I always go for anyway with my eyebrows, like natural brow, you know, like your brows but better. There's always like excess product on your brush. Are they twins or sisters? We'll never know. We will never know. I just downloaded Netflix I paid for a 1-month Netflix thing just so I could watch The Crown. But I must say I'm a bit disappointed. Like at some point it gets a little bit boring and I'm like, oh my god, was this even worth it? So luckily there are other shows like Good Girls that I was watching on Netflix that I can catch up on now. Because I'm on a 2-week break from work. Okay, I'll stop fussing with my brows because the more you fuss, the worse they get. Before moving on, I'm going to set my whole face now. Let's let that dry a bit more. Feels good, refreshing. Maybe I should put that in the fridge next time. Yeah, or in the summer, you know. I like how the eyes look, and while that dries, we're going to put just a tiny bit of gold on the inner eye corner. I always love it when I see that kind of detail on the eyes. I'll use the tiniest little brush and we'll go with Sandy. Sandy is, so on this part we used Waikiki, and on the inner corner I'm going to use Sandy. Just a tiny bit of that. And bring it outside just a tiny bit, like that. This one as well. And basically the goal with eyeshadow is just to blend everything so not one feels lost. Like it doesn't feel like a muddle of colors, so you blend it to just give it more harmony, even if you made a mistake. I like how the contour turned out this time round. Let's go on to highlighter. And today I'm actually going to use, I'm still using this contour and highlight palette. So for the contour I used, if I can get it open, I used this to contour today, and for highlighter I'm going to go with this one. It's kind of it's a very faded shimmer, which is fine. I'm not going for showgirl moments. Oh wait, I forgot the blush. Okay, so okay, I'm just going to make the two sides even. There you go. Oh man, I messed up. I should have done the blush before the highlighter. Oof, forgive me, Lord, for I have sinned. So this, look at that. I hope the color on the camera is the same as what I'm seeing, because it's so beautiful. Let's just take bit by, ooh, okay, not bad. Oh, it actually blends nicely with the highlighter. Do you see? Is it? I hope this is visible. Just a tiny bit more. Just a tiny bit more. Oh God, that looks nice. I look like I have I look like I have somewhere important to go, but all I'm doing today is picking up deliveries and cleaning my house. Let's see how it wears through the day. Before giving it the final verdict, I'm going to go back to that highlighter just a tiny bit, just the tiniest bit, with a sharper kind of flat brush, and just do the slightest thing here and blend that with my finger. Next, lips, and then, oh wait, I didn't contour my forehead because I was blessed with a lot of forehead, so kind of have to make people think it's not as big as it as it looks. Ooh, do I like the colors today? I love them, love them, love them. Lips next. First of all, you always need some lip balm or whatever. My favorites this year have been these Neutrogena lip balms. And the lip combo we're going with today is this nude-ish glossy, I don't remember, I think this was the Giorgio Armani, yeah, this was a Giorgio Armani lip gloss. You know what, I'll just link it. If it still exists, if they still have this out in the shops, I'll link it below because it's really amazing. For the base of the lip gloss, I'm going to do this brownish lip liner. I forget where this is from, but look at how much I've used. That's how much I love it. So we'll do the combo of this. I need a smaller mirror as usual. Even on its own, this lip liner is bomb. Like, look at that. But we're still going to use the lip gloss after, just a tiny bit. Obviously with the mask this will be complicated, but it's worth it. Smile test. I think we're done. What do you think? I think we're done for today. Let me fix my hair. I forgot to put on mascara. I always forget. I told you, I knew I was forgetting something. This was it. So that's the finished look for today. Tell me what you think. Do you like the blush? Do you like the colors? Do they go well? I feel like I like this look so much because it gives me like a dinner party or just a dinner. Like it's something I'd wear if I were going out at night. So tell me what you think about this look. And thank you again for tuning in to my previous videos. So don't forget to watch my last video that I will put right here for you. You can just click that. Don't forget to subscribe or comment. So have a good one. Bye bye. See you soon.